In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place text over an image in Google Slides. This is a great way to enhance your presentation and make your slides more engaging. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to create visually appealing slides with ease. Let's start by inserting an image. Navigate to the Insert menu at the top of your screen and select Image. You'll have a few options here, such as uploading an image from your computer, searching the web, or even using images from your Google Drive. Choose the method that works best for you and select your desired image. Once inserted, you can drag and resize it to fit your slide as needed. Next, we need to insert a text box. Again, we're going to the Insert menu, but this time look for Text Box. When you click on it, your cursor will change, allowing you to click and drag on the slide to create a text box. Don't worry about getting the size perfect right away. You can always adjust it later. Now, it's time to type your text within the text box you just created. Think about what message you want to convey with the image and type it in. You can also format the text by changing the font, size, color, and style to make it more visually appealing. The key here is to ensure the text is clear and easy to read over the image. At this point, it's essential to position the text box properly. Click and drag it to the desired location on top of the image. Try to position it where it complements the visual and doesn't obscure important parts of the image. You might need to adjust the size of the text box a bit more here to make sure everything fits well and looks balanced. If you're finding that the text isn't standing out against the image as much as you'd like, you can adjust the image's transparency. To do this, select the image, then click on Format Options on the toolbar. Under Adjustments, you'll see a transparency slider. Gently move this slider to increase the transparency of the image, allowing the text to pop out more. But be cautious not to adjust it too much, as you still want the image to be visible and serve its purpose in your presentation. Overall, using images and text effectively in Google Slides can significantly elevate your presentation's impact. By practicing these steps, you'll become more adept at creating slides that are not only informative but also visually appealing, helping you capture and retain your audience's attention. Happy presenting!